Hello Simplepers, in this video I will explain how you can use promo diamonds in Mobile Legends and I will show you live proof, so please watch till end. So let's begin. You can get this on Mile Creep event and it can use on that it says. By the way, you can also use it on shop for as low as 1 diamond. Now we'll see, like for example I'm going buying the, now you can see the coupon area, no coupon area, and I can buy it for as low as 1 diamond. Able to use between 11 to 15 November only, no this time. If you like my content, then please like, subscribe and bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.